Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you how to create labels to organize your emails in Gmail. First, open Gmail. On the left side, you'll see labels. Click on the plus icon to create a new label. A small window will appear where you can type in the name of your new label. For example, you could name it work, school, or just anything. Once you're done, click Create. Now to organize your emails, right-click and select the label you want to assign. You can even add multiple labels to one email if needed. You'll see your new labels listed on the left side of Gmail, and clicking on them will show all the emails under that label. And that's it. That's how you create labels to organize your emails in Gmail.